Anyhow, we're here at Købkes Plads at Carlsberg, Byen in Copenhagen, Denmark. It's an Otis Gen2. This one only has one car park level and it's level K, basement. This one's a different indicator. Oh, this one's older. This one's 2017. Killer basement. The one? Dang, someone playing basketball over here? That's weird. Guess one's what's open over here. It's just like a courtyard. Back down to S. It's another basic Otis stainless steel cab. Back at the stone. We're closing, that's gonna be it. This is the parking lift at Carlsberg, Byen, Ottilia, Jacobsens place in Copenhagen, Denmark. It's an Otis Gen2, but it's also from 2019, 2020, like the Kongens. -2. Here we go down. -2. Etage -2. Back to S. Inspection. Otis 2019 doesn't say exactly which Gen2 model it is. Yeah, Jacobsens place 7, still here. Basic Otis stainless steel cab. Has like the strip lights in the front and the sides and the back. Has that light overhead as well. That's gonna be it. This is the left-handmost turnet at Carlsberg, Byen in Copenhagen, Denmark. This is a Otis Gen2 from 2019. The door on this one is very rough. There's another one where it's like offices and a car park, but only the car park floors open, can't go up to the offices. This one is a -1, -2, and -3, so all the parking levels. Not in the best shape. The indicator area is kind of scratched up. Here, -3. There's that annoying car parking music that they play. I think they play that to deter like homeless people, but I've never even seen any homeless people here. I think the homeless population for us. I don't know why they do that. Yeah, all of the office street rock. So we'll go back up to T. This is actually 2020, but yeah, I'm saying 2019, 2020. It's a basic Otis cab. Stainless steel. Otis 2020. Office directory. There's the regular mirror there, and then there's like a sightseeing. I don't know why they need that in the left. Small one. I suppose that's gonna be it. This is the elevator at, I'm gonna call it Olivia Hansens Gade 16, but I probably somewhere else, but it is 16, whatever street this is, in Carlsberg, Byen, Copenhagen, Denmark. This is another Otis Gen2. This one has residential on the upper floors and is the car park on the lower floors. There's no -3, there's a -2 and -3, so we're down to -3. Or -1, yeah. No -1, but there's a -2, -3. -3. There's your non-car park music again. 5 is a different braille, that's weird. That's all the residential floors locked. So go back up to 2. So in 2020, there's the forward vision thinking, which I think is kind of useless. Another basic Otis Gen2 cab, here back at 2. Inspection, Otis 2020. Oh, it says 2019, they crossed it out and they put 2020. Maybe delay or something because of COVID, who knows. They're closing, that's gonna be it. This is an elevator somewhere in Carlsberg, Byen, Copenhagen, Denmark. It's another Otis Gen2. This one might be a service lift. It's a bigger cab with center opening doors. Most of the ones here have side opening doors. Don't think we're up to 0. Nope. Oh, it actually beeped and lit, but then it went out. -1 main should be open though. Beeped twice, interesting. No, this one's a little newer. This one's still in 2021. Not newer by much, but a little bit. -1. Opens behind a door. Yeah, kick back down. Isn't upright or not. Nope. I want to get off here. Oh yeah, this is a loading area. That's it. This is the parking lift to Franciska, excuse me if I butcher the pronunciation, Clausens Place at Carlsberg, Byen, Copenhagen, Denmark. It's another Otis Gen2. From 2019, 2020, 2020 for this one. S, -2, -3, no -1. -3, here we go down. -3. And opens behind the door and go back to S. It's a basic stainless steel cab. It's a little bit deeper. I almost feel like there should be like a rear door because there's no railing there, but there's not. Back to S. Otis 2020. Inspection. Look at S. There it says Postures V. So I'll have to figure out the exact name for this one. And that's gonna be it.